Hakabayday bat ka kot ka kya, Mentri rangba ulapan mi, ya ka mission mode ka basan snem, na ka banta ka HIV AIDS project manila prasya ka jinkyo, kibayo yo kanyang Japang HIV bat ka AIDS sa kajila. Da ka ba kadaw ka sarkar kalamang pisa ar sanklur tengka, kata sanklur sisnem. Na ka banta ka ni ka kamban gantob, ya ka jinkpan bit penbyang hilat sumar, bat ka jinkpan soto pat ba.
The Dream Mission has had its impact in the sense that we've been very focused on what we're doing. There is a structured system to support different groups, different societies, localities who are, actively involved in this. Earlier, there was no program. There was hardly any financial support. Whatever a bit used to come from social welfare, some used to get, some never got. There was no plan to have rehabilitation or recovery centers in the districts. But based on this particular mission, we have come out with those numbers, and based on that, funds are being available, and now based on that, the rehabilitation centers are coming up. So this is a process that's happening. A mission mode program allows you to be focused. A mission mode program allows you to achieve certain goals in a specific time manner, and a mission mode program allows you to have the financial budgeting to be able to then achieve those goals. So this is the idea. Now, if you don't have a mission mode program, as I said, then things will go on as they're going on, and we may sometimes succeed and we may not sometimes succeed. But as I said, it's our duty as a government to ensure that we give it our best. This mission mode program creation is in itself an indication that we're serious about this. We have budgeted 25 crores for this. We have a detailed program plan on how we're going to implement it, and today the cabinet has approved that plan.